If you're planning to buy a new camera phone in 2026, stop right there, because most people waste money on fancy specs that don't actually improve photo quality. Today, I'll show you the 5 best camera phones of 2026, the ones that actually deliver jaw-dropping results, even in low light or action shots. So let's jump straight in and see which one deserves a spot in your pocket this year. Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. This phone doesn't just take photos, it creates art. With its AI night mode camera, Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, and quad lens system, it captures crisp detail even in near darkness. You get 200 megapixel resolution, insane zoom, and the built-in S Pen for editing on the fly. Plus, that 5,000 milliamp hour battery and dynamic AMOLED 2X display make it a creator's dream. It's pricey, sure, but if you want the best camera phone money can buy in 2026, this is the one to beat. Apple's iPhone 16 Pro Max. You can't talk camera phones without mentioning Apple. This one delivers incredible color accuracy, detail, and dynamic range, especially with Apple's new smart HDR and photonic engine. Its A18 Pro chip enables next-gen computational photography and real-time AI portrait mode refinements. Whether you're shooting 4K videos or cinematic B-roll, it handles everything with precision. The downside, it's still limited in zoom compared to the Galaxy Ultra. But for creators who want consistent, true-to-life results, the iPhone 16 Pro Max is tough to beat. Xiaomi 15 5G AI. If you love photography and want premium results without breaking the bank, this phone is a dream. It comes with a 50 megapixel triple Leica Pro camera, 512 gigabytes storage, and 12 gigabytes RAM, giving you professional level shots with that signature Leica color science. The AI scene detection automatically adjusts exposure and tone for near-perfect results, even in tricky lighting. And that 6.36-inch AMOLED display, perfect for editing photos on the go. It's not officially optimized for the US, but for global users, this is a performance powerhouse. Coming up next, 2 giants that are taking smartphone cameras to an entirely new level. The OnePlus 13. This beast packs a Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, 16 gigabytes of RAM, and 512 gigabytes of storage. But what really stands out is its Hasselblad camera system. You get vivid colors, cinematic tones, and dynamic range that can rival phones twice its price. Plus, with 80-watt SuperVOOC and 50-watt AirView wireless charging, you can shoot, edit, and share all day without worrying about battery. However, the telephoto performance isn't the best compared to Samsung or Apple, but for fast, vibrant photography and effortless speed, this one's a top contender. And up next, we've got a phone that brings Leica magic to mobile photography. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE. This one's for those who want style and substance. You're getting a 256 gigabyte AI smartphone that folds into your palm yet captures stunning shots, thanks to Samsung's latest AI-powered image optimization. It's designed for creators who love taking selfies or vlogs. Just flip it, place it down, and record hands-free. Battery life, surprisingly strong for a foldable. 5,000 milliamp hours keeps you going through long days. But the camera isn't as powerful as Samsung's Ultra series, so it's more for casual creators than pro photographers. Still, if you want something stylish that turns heads while still delivering crisp photos, this is your pick. All these phones are linked below in the description. Check them out to see the latest Amazon prices and offers. And if this video helped you pick your next upgrade, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell. I drop new tech videos every single week. Thanks for watching.